In a midnight crackdown, police arrested 5 students of Film and Television Institute of India from its campus on charges of rioting. The arrests came after a group of striking students had on Monday gherawed the institute director Prashant Patrabe, protesting against irrational and unjustified assessment of the incomplete diploma projects. Acting on a complaint filed by Patrabe, police lodged an FIR against 15 students, out of which 5 were arrested.
अगर आपको रात को 1 बजे आके किसी को अरेस्ट करना है तो कुछ तो लीगल चीजें तो होगा ना, वारंट तो दिखाना पड़ेगा ना कम से कम। ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? ये तो पुलिस राज हो रहा है ना। ये कैंपस में कोई नहीं है अभी, डीन नहीं है, हाँ डायरेक्टर नहीं है, रजिस्ट्रार नहीं है, तो कौन जिम्मेदारी लेगा? इंस्टीट्यूट के अंदर आके बच्चों को पकड़ के लेके जाने से पहले कुछ तो लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज तो होगा ही। हमारे एडवोकेट ने बात कर लिया, एडवोकेट साहब ने बात किया, एडवोकेट ने बोला कि इस चार्जेस के ऊपर रात को अरेस्ट नहीं कर सकता है।
I deny all the charges which is on us. We haven't done anything offenseful. We have asked the right question, and people of this country, they should ask this question again.
We are fighting for the last 68 days against this bloody ministry's fascist decision, you know.
The country should become a prison now.
Look at the timing of the entire thing. I mean, at this hour, at 11:30 or 12 in the night, is this a exact time when this should have happened?
हमें यहाँ कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है तो हम डायरेक्टर और रजिस्ट्रार के पास जाते हैं। आज उन्होंने हमारे खिलाफ FIR किया है, ठीक है। दे आर आवर गार्जियंस, वी आर ऑल आउट स्टेशन स्टूडेंट्स, सो वी आर ऑल वल्नरेबल हियर, वी डोंट हैव आवर फैमिलीज हियर, एंड आवर गार्जियंस टुडे, बेसिकली आवर गार्जियंस हैव लॉन्च्ड एन FIR अगेंस्ट अस.
Finally, the Pune police have managed to arrest few FTII students. There we can see now some of the students they are being arrested by the senior PI of Deccan Police Station, Mr. Chaugule. The drama went on for almost 1.5 hours. The police arrived here at midnight, and the students initially registered the arrest. In fact, they marched up to the registrar's residence, but now finally police have managed to convince them to surrender. And they height of irresponsibility. If the director and the registrar has done this complaint, and if they cannot come right now and stand by the students, which is their responsibility, it is totally unacceptable. The only thing we can do is right now go to the police and be with the students and make sure that they are safe.
The faculty stands by the students?
Absolutely, absolutely.
FIR जो उन्होंने कल रात को उनके ऑफिस में जो हलचल मचाई, दंगा मचाया, इसके बारे में उन्होंने किया था। उनको बाहर पढ़ने नहीं दिया, अंदर की प्रॉपर्टी डैमेज किया, इसके बारे में उन्होंने जो दिया था कंप्लेंट, उसके मुताबिक किया। कंप्लेंट रात को दिए, कंप्लेंट मिलने के बाद कार्रवाई की, वहाँ वक्त का सवाल ही नहीं आता।
One of the faculty members who claims that now almost all the faculty members stand by the students. You can see the entire convoy of Pune police had arrived here at FTII. Around 15 to 20 police personnel were here in 4 to 5 different cars. These police vehicles, but they managed to arrest only 7 to 8 FTII students. Remember, the FII has around 15 students. Name few more police personnel are still right there inside the FTII campus. Again, the drama has happened at midnight. Remember, an FIR was registered against the 15 FTII students because because of the drama that was created between the director and the FTII students in the director's cabin yesterday. The director, I am told by Pune police, has filed an FIR. Few sections of this FIR are non-bailable, and that is the reason Pune police arrived here prepared to arrest 2 students. They could not arrest all 15 students, but certainly they managed to arrest 6 to 7 students, and the remaining students, they have been asked to surrender at the police station. Vidhi Nayak, Dashidashi Singh in Pune for Times Now.